how to add metric widget to dashboard in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet and then just go to your dashboard. Next is just click on the pencil icon here at the top right, and then click on the plus icon. Then look for metric, this one, click on that. Then here you can resize your metric widget however you want. And then you can also begin customizing with your metric widget here. You can see the data layout here and then the title. So let's say I'm going to add a data here. So just choose it from among your workspaces. So let's say I'll use this one, click OK. And then you can also select your data type here. So I'm just going to use the grid data and then click on OK. And then once you're done adding your data, you can choose your layout, your title, and then your widget behavior here as well. So once you're done, click on closer or X and then make sure to save it. Click on file here and then click on save, or you can just press Ctrl+S on your keyboard, and then you can just, or you can also click on save here at the top. So just click on that. Then there you go. Now we have a widget here. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.